Practical Accessible Maps with Leaflet by Nick Freear of AbilityNet. Hello, my name is Nick. I'm a Senior Accessibility and Usability Consultant at AbilityNet. I specialize in responsive site accessibility audits, accreditation, diverse user testing and training. So first, what is Leaflet? Leaflet is a popular open source JavaScript mapping library used on OpenStreetMap.com and across the web. Its website is leafletjs.com. It has more than 38,000 stars on GitHub. So why should I care? A 2021 evaluation by Robert Linder, that's Malvoz on GitHub, compared various online mapping tools, and while Leaflet did better than some, there were still workout failures. Some of these issues have been addressed over the last few years, but a significant number have not. However, given its popularity, developers will keep on using Leaflet whether it has accessibility issues or not. Are there challenges? Yes, like many open source projects, Leaflet relies on a small core of developers, many contributing in their spare time. The creator and lead developer of Leaflet is Volodymyr Agafonkin. Sorry if I mispronounce this. He is Ukrainian. With the war in Ukraine, not surprisingly, the development of Leaflet appears to have slowed down in the past year. What are we doing? I've been an occasional user of Leaflet for some years through various projects. I like its clean programming interface and good documentation. I love maps. Recently, I've become more involved in the Leaflet project, commenting on issues, opening new issues, and submitting fixes for consideration. So, what practical steps can you take when you use Leaflet in a website? Here are my top tips. Tip 1. Use the latest version of Leaflet, which is currently 1.9.4. This is more accessible. If you maintain a site using Leaflet, upgrade to the latest version and regularly check back for updates. Tip 2. Follow the Accessible Maps tutorial on leafletjs.com. This includes adding alt text for your markers. Tip 3. Test your map and any third-party plugins that you use for accessibility. For example, you can do your own keyboard testing using the Tab, Enter, and Space keys. Anything that can be clicked with a mouse should be reachable using the Tab key and operable using Enter and/or Space. See the WebAIM link for more details. Tip 4. Consider using the Leaflet.ali plugin, which fixes some key accessibility issues and is open source. Full disclosure, I'm the lead developer. As the pace of development in core Leaflet has slowed, this plugin is particularly helpful. Note that this plugin is not a long-term solution. I look forward to it becoming obsolete as Leaflet improves, though this may take a while. So what else can you do? Consider getting involved in the Leaflet community. There are lots of ways to help out, including documentation, translation, and so on. I hope this has helped you find out more about Leaflet, do some simple testing, and make the maps you create more accessible. Thank you for listening. For more information, visit leafletjs.com and the leaflet.ally site. Credit to all the contributors to Leaflet, we love you, and thank you for the support from my colleagues at AbilityNet. Learn about AbilityNet's accessibility services at abilitynet.org.uk/accessibility-services.